व्हाट इज इंटरेस्ट रेट रिस्क? अगर आप बॉन्ड्स या डेट म्यूचुअल फंड्स में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं तो आपको इंटरेस्ट रेट रिस्क के बारे में तो पता ही होगा। इसे प्राइस रिस्क भी कहते हैं सिंस इंटरेस्ट रेट एंड बॉन्ड प्राइसेस आर इनवर्सली रिलेटेड। Interest rate risk is the extent of decline in the value of a bond or a debt mutual funds due to a spike in interest rates. But क्या आपने सोचा कि interest rate and bond prices inversely related क्यों होते हैं? Understanding the inverse relationship, let us first understand opportunity cost. जब आप बॉन्ड खरीदते हैं, you give up the opportunity of purchasing bonds with more attractive returns in case interest rate are hiked. And जब interest rates बढ़ जाते हैं, demand for existing bonds with lower returns fall as more attractive bonds are available. So the price of the existing bonds will fall to reflect the loss of yield. अब अगर कोई इन bonds को market से discount में buy करते हैं, they'll still get the same yield. But for the person holding such bonds, it is a loss of value when prices go down. Can interest rate risk be avoided? आप interest rate risk को avoid तो नहीं कर सकते, but you can surely mitigate it. The simplest way is to diversify the portfolio. For example, holding short-term treasuries and money market instruments does not expose investors to such price risk. So, bond investor can diversify by including a mix of short-term and long-term bonds. You can even invest in floating rate bonds in a rising interest scenario. याद रखें कि safe government bonds भी interest rate risk से prone होती है. In fact, बाकी bonds से कई ज़्यादा. For more such updates, subscribe to our channel now.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.